Hi everyone, look what just arrived. This is the November Paper Pumpkin Kit. Okay, this one is called Jolly Gingerbread. You can see by the gingerbread box. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so let me grab some white cardstock from my desk here so you can see the stamps. All right, what do we have? We have More Merry, Happy Holidays, A Sweet Treat for You, to from, with love and joy, wishing you a jolly Christmas. These look like little swirls. You've got some pretty flourishes here. A little house, looks like a gingerbread house. And then this flourish here. And so I want to show you what this makes. This is just a suggestion. It doesn't make cards. These make gift card holders. But they're telling you that you can use these pieces to make cards if you don't need, because it makes 15 gift card holders, which is a lot. So maybe you don't need 15. So maybe make 10 or 8 or whatever gift card holders you need. And then here's other things you can do. This uses some of the pieces, and this uses that stamp, that cute little house. Make a cute little gingerbread house. So that's really cute. So let's take a look. Our color is Blushing Bride. Our tissue color is like mint. So there's a Facebook group for Paper Pumpkin, and somebody made the Paper Pumpkin box itself into a gingerbread house. I'll see if I can find that and put it on my Facebook page. But they make this into a gingerbread house, like they did a while back with the Halloween one. They made a Halloween house. Anyway, look at all this stuff that comes in here. It's really fat. That's really a packed full kit. Okay, this is the first time I've seen tear tape in a kit. That's fun. Oh, look at these cute little candies. Those are realistic looking little candies. Okay, so these are stickers and they look like little candies. How cute are they? 2 packs of those. And then this is dimensionals, glue dots, and some tear tape. That's cool. These are the envelopes for your gift card holders. And then they are little tiny houses. How cute. There's a couple different houses. So there's this house, and this house, and this house. And it makes little pockets for a gift card. But like they showed you on this little flyer, you could cut this out and make it onto a card, and it's cute. You can even put this on a card with the pocket and stick the gift card still in the card. That might be cool too. Okay, and here are some embellishments for your cards. Here's a picture of them all done. Cute little houses. So you layer the houses. They've got little gumdrops. Really cute. Here's some of the, I'm not sure what these are. Oh, these are the labels that where you would stamp. Okay, what else do we have here? That is all, oh yeah, because the gumdrops are on the other thing, and they already have these little cutouts on them. I was looking for hearts and stars, but it's actually right there. Super cute. And then you line up behind it, the door pops through. These are really fun. I'm just going to start taking them apart because I know I'm going to make them all up as cards or something. So this is going to show through with some dimension. Really cute. I know that I'm going to probably make most of these as cards, but I do buy some gift cards, so I'll make, maybe I'll do half and half. Really cute. So you're going to get your instructions on the inside. Here's a bigger picture. Oh, even more to do. They even did a 3D box. That's cool. Okay, so if you are not part of the Facebook Paper Pumpkin fan club, maybe try that out. There's always good alternative ideas for if you don't need all 15 gift cards and you're only going to make, you know, so half of them as gift cards, what to do with the other half. There's some ideas on the back, but you can get more ideas at Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and paperpumpkin.com. So check all that out. This is a really cute kit. This is a cute stamp set too. I like that little gingerbread house. Now next month's kit is called, what is it called? Berry Comforting or something like that. It's for, there's a picture on the, I'll put it on my blog. There's in my Facebook page. There's a picture of a cute little bear and a cupcake, and it's called Berry Comforting. So I think that it's supposed to make 12 full-size cards. So that'll be the next month. Usually they give us a little picture in this one, but I think they wanted to give us this instead, so you can get different ideas. And so we don't have next month's little flyer, but I'll put it up on my blog because I want you to see it. It's really cute, and it makes 12 full-size cards, so that's fun. And this one makes 15 gift cards. So check back on my Facebook page and my blog, bestpapercuts.com. I'm gonna make some stuff with these. I just know that I'm gonna do stuff like this, so check that out. And if you didn't get a kit because you did not subscribe in time and you wish that you got it, email me or send me a message. I always get extras for this reason, so I might have a kit just for you. All right, that is it. I'm going to show you these little candies again. How cute are these little candies? Cuteness. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. So I came back because even though I already did my unboxing, because I wanted to show you some of the finished things. I started, it was all open on my desk, so as I sat here I thought, oh, I might as well put a few together because they're cute and I just wanted to play with them, and they're really simple. Here are the kind of as intended samples, but then I saw what they had shown on the packaging and I thought, well, I want to kind of play around with that just for just a minute, just to do a quick version. So I did this little guy, a quick version of this one, and I used Just Jade, but it looks like they used mint macaron here, and so I just wanted to show you how that looked. And this was watercolor, which kind of makes it look like gingerbread because you've got the different darks and lights like you would if you baked some gingerbread, so that's kind of fun. It's cinnamon cider is the color I used here, and so that was one of the cards I made. And then I made this one, which also kind of seemed based off of theirs. So it's not anything exciting, different, but I did do one more different one. But I wanted to show it to you because it looks how big it is. So then you kind of see on a standard card how big that gingerbread is. Really cute. And this is the stamp set gingerbread. This is the gift card gingerbread. And then I happen to have a gift card on my desk, so I just want to show you that that fits inside. Okay, and then if you wanted to, you can make it so that you could put it, I glued it, but you can make it so that you can still put a gift card on your front. If you do that, maybe wrap some ribbon around it so they can pull the gift card out, and that way they know there's something inside. So that would be a fun way to do that. And you know what, I should have done that, but it's kind of like this that I made. So this is the gift card holder, but instead of putting a gift card in there, I put a sweet treat for you. I got some ink, so that's why I had to put this little part left over from something else. But if they pull up like this, the candy comes with. So it's a little Ghirardelli square, and that's a fun little way to give a sweet treat. So you don't have to use it for a gift card. You can imagine putting this on the desk of a coworker if you're going to work these days, or put it on the desk of someone, or leave it by your kids as they're doing their homeschooling with the computers right now. You can just kind of set it up next to where they work and they'll see it during the day. It's a cute little treat. I thought that was super sweet. You can even do something. Here's what I meant about putting a gift card in there. Let's say this was on a card front. You know, if you have this little ribbon here, then if they pull it up, then they can pull that gift card out. See? And how you do that is you just put your pocket together and punch a hole, and then you're going to just thread your ribbon through the hole and then use your object to push it down in there. And then you've got, you need to add a little bit of baker's twine or something at the top, and you've got a little pull-up pouch. And that could go right there, and you can have a little pull-up pouch on the front of your card. So I just started playing around with this with this cute little kit, and I've already used up almost half of my little gift card holder. It's really cute, and I think that I might do more like this, but with the gift card in there, because I thought that was really fun. And I want to show you the back because I didn't notice that the first time when I was making these, and then as I was going through the kit I had these leftover pieces that don't have anything on them. I'm like, what are these plain ones for? Because, you know, I don't know if you're like me, you're an avid crafter, you craft all the time, you think, I don't need any instructions. But we do sometimes, don't we? Because had I looked at the instructions, I would have seen that the back is where you use the blank ones and you do a little to from. So anyway, that's the back. And then the only place that they used the big candies is on the back. Kind of like right there, one of these big candies. So I'm going to hoard these. And I like them on my cards because they're kind of big. And I think these are super sweet all on their own. But these candies are really cute on the cards. So I'm going to use the candies, and I could have put some on here too. I'm going to use the candies on my cards and save them because they're just adorable. Okay, so that is the Jolly Gingerbread. Oh, and I wanted, since I had to come back and film what I made, I decided I would print out next month's, and it's called Very Comforting, so I had the name right, 12 comforting cards and envelopes. So it's nice. It says super sweet sentiments can be used for a variety of occasions. So that's cool, and I like that they kind of, my printer is running out of ink, so it's not real great right here, but you can see there's a little paper cutout of a cupcake. They've got cupcakes in the background, so we know that that's going to be incorporated somewhere in the kit. And this cute little bear, maybe he's going to be holding a cupcake, I don't know. So this gives you an idea of what's going to be in that. And then here, this envelope that the bear's holding, that's kind of a little peek. You know that you're going to get some fun printed envelopes. So this is the December paper pumpkin, and you need to get signed up for that before December 10th. And then if you missed out on the Jolly Gingerbread, like I said, I do get extras, and I even have some past kits. Not a lot. Most of them sell out, but I do have a couple older kits if you're looking for. I think I have one more Joy to the World, and I have one more of the Halloween. You can save for next year, and I think I have a Lovely Day. So anyway, let me know if you're looking for a paper pumpkin kit, and I might be able to help you. So super cute, really fun, adorable kit.